Hey guys, it's Dino here from 3-Star Nomadic, and today we've hit Krabi. We're gonna head to Al Nang Beach, have a good little look around. Enjoy! I'm Dino here, 3-Star Nomadic. And yeah guys, here we are on the wharf in Krabi, somewhere in Krabi. I don't know exactly where. I do know that I got to get a taxi from here, which is meant to be included in the price, and they'll take us to Al Nang. Alright, so we'll see you there. Got the old battleship over here, the old war battleship. Anyway, I was told that with me little sticker I'll get a free taxi, so whether I went to the wrong place or not I don't know, but they said I don't get a free one. So, I don't know, I just get in a taxi. Probably better off just sitting in a taxi on my own rather than waiting for everyone else to fill up the bus. So, here we go. That's how it goes in travelling. You hear one thing and you expect exactly the different thing. So, anyway, I'll follow this guy. Sort of have to because he's got my bag. So just got dropped off by the taxi, got the ocean just down the road, and just come in to have a bit of a sit down before I find some accommodation in the little bar called Kiss Bar at Al Nang Krabi. There you go guys, you can get out to the kickboxing. Got that everywhere, lads. Oh, anyway, here I am in my room. Just got a little cheapy this time. Got the beautiful view with the wires, but sea view down there, eh? All for 700 baht. What's that? 28 bucks. Got the huge, massive balcony, but it's all good. It's got a fridge, got a TV, seems to have a fair few channels on it. Good aircon. It's a little cheap Charlie, 3-Star Nomadic job. So, here we are guys in Al Nang. Just a little bit here in my hotel. So that's the view from the back. There's actually some rooms on this side. I think they're a little bit different, but they have quite a nice view there. So this is the hotel that I'm at. The Palace Al Nang. Straight across the road you got a really good little smoothie bar. Well, it looks like a good one, I haven't tried it yet. There's heaps of stuff further up this way, but at the moment I'm going to actually cruise down this way and have a look at the beach. So here we go. I love Krabi. We've got to the beach. Go see what it's like. So I know down this way there's a lot of fairly nice hotels. I'll probably wander down that way tomorrow. At the moment I think I'm just going to go for a walk along the beach. But this will give you a bit of a look. Don't want to fall over there, but They've got a nice big resort in here by the looks, and looks like they've got a walking trail just around here, around this point, so might go have a bit of a wander. So here we are now, guys, up on the main road. Heaps of stuff going that way, and you got heaps going that way. So once again, I remember this from years ago, and it's going. Cool little bar. Can't wait there for that. Hello. Hello.
We have show every night.
Yeah. Thank you. More lady boys in there. Looks like a pretty rated little joint there, I bet. And just like that, it's the morning, about 6:37 in the morning. So that's where we were walking there yesterday, down that way. And we're gonna wander up the other end of the beach now and have a bit of a look. And not a lot of sun out at the moment because it comes over this big hill here. You might be able to see it trying to peek through over there, but so probably not the best for droning, but I'll try and get it up at some stage. Trail that'll take us around to the next bay, so I'm going to go for a bit of a wander. I don't know, this might be the one where they said there's a few monkeys, so I've tucked my hat, glasses away, and hopefully they don't pickpocket me. I'm gonna go with the old ankle, but I'll give it a go. It's quite the walk, isn't it? Alright. I'll go up for a bit and see how I feel. So we're basically climbing up ladders here, almost. Anyway. Yeah, that was quite the climb. Up pretty high. Oh. Anyway, I think we're flattened out here for a bit, and I'll see what I can see up here. On the way down now, so got overtaken a bit there. I'm lagging. So here we are, made it to the bottom. Oh, that was hard work. Wouldn't want to come any later, it's pretty sweaty, so I think there's only one way back too. So I'm halfway there. Anyway, just had to sign in here because looks like this beach might be I don't know, I'm getting the vibe it might be like a private resort. So, but we're allowed to come in, they just want us to sign in, so when we go out we sign out, and which is fair enough. As you can see, if I pan around a bit, we're just completely surrounded by mountains here, so I doubt there'd be any road here at all. Everything would come in on boat through this little jetty. Looks like a little floating jetty they got. And we're at the end of the beach. There you go. Very nice. So that's really, I didn't really know what was over here, so that's a nice little joint. If you're looking for somewhere real getaway, I'll show you what it is and then you can look it up. Centara Grand Beach Resort and Villas in KRABI. So there you go guys, if you're looking for something like this. Haven't seen the rooms, but I'd imagine they'd be pretty good. It looks pretty flash, so you can check them out on their website. Alright guys, well I'm gonna start strolling back and reload with water down the end of the beach and head back over the hill. Sit down and have a bit of a chill on my little swing for a couple of minutes. Yeehaw! So it looks like got some of the workers coming in there, but I saw them actually coming in around the rocks. So you must be able to go up around the rocks there. I've just signed out and I did talk to the guy. He said that you can walk around the rocks here at low tide, which it is. So I don't know if that's going to be a good idea or a bad one, but we'll go have a look. If it's a bit rough, I'll come back. And I think we got the rain coming in too actually, so we might be getting a bit wet. Might be a little bit rough for me, I think. A little bit rough for me, so I think I might take the high road. I get the feeling the water's coming in. I don't want to get caught halfway. So I'm going to tough it out across up in the big jungle again. So I spotted some fresh monkey poo. Well, I think it is. But I cannot spot any monkeys. There you have it, guys. Down the hill again. Anyway, just took it easy. Bit of exercise, bit of a sweat. Can't be too bad for me, I suppose. And I thought it was really going to rain, but it only just sprinkled a little bit, so it's good. And we've got a beautiful rainbow over here. So guys, plenty to do here in Al Nang Beach. Around the corner we got KRABI Beach. You can grab these boats and whip around there. There's heaps of tours you can do here. You can go inland, you can see the emerald ponds and a few other things. There's obviously KRABI City, which has some pretty cool things in there apparently. Obviously in this tour I'm just doing bits and pieces. It's a bit of a whirlwind tour really. So we've got a few of the crew doing the Pilates down here. But guys, from Dino at 3-Star Nomadic, signing off from Al Nang Beach. We'll catch you down the track. Actually, it could be yoga.